Hi, you're welcome to the fourth video on the introduction into the web design course. My name is Yusuf Kola from Intel Hub Academy. Now we are going to be looking at how you can get started into this course. So in order to get started, you need to do a couple of simple things. So it's just that you download some software on your system. And the first software you need to download is this Sublime Text. You install Sublime Text, which is a code editor. So it is a very intuitive code editor for beginners in web development. It is from here you write your codes. You can get it online for free through this link. Okay, this link below. So after that, then you install a couple of browsers on your system, like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Edge, UC. Okay, so but it's not compulsory you install the browsers mentioned above, but it is recommended that you have at least 3 different browsers on your computer to test your web pages. Okay, so after that you are good to go. Okay, so the first thing is that you download the software, which I'm going to do right now. So you copy this website, this website address www.sublimetext.com to your browser. Okay, just go to your browser and copy the address in the address bar, then click on enter. So it takes you right to the official website of the Sublime Text. So this is the official website. Okay, so you click on this link here, this download link. You click on it. When you click on it, it takes you right to the download page. Okay, so there are 4 different options for the download. The first option is if you are running a Mac computer. This first option is what you are going to click to download the software. But if you are running a 32-bit Windows operating system, you click on this second option. If you are running a 64-bit Windows operating system, you click on this third option here. But if you are running a 64-bit Linux operating system, you click on this option. But if it is 32-bit, you click on this. So for example, I am running a 32-bit Windows operating system, so I'm going to click on this. So if you click on this, any of the option there which is compatible with your system, it will download the software right to your system. So I have downloaded it already. Okay, I have downloaded it already. So yeah, this is it inside my folder. It is downloaded already, so you should download yours too, and you browse for it in your file explorer. Now you right click it, you locate the file, the setup file, and you right click it and you run it as an administrator. Okay, click on this, say yes. Okay, it's because of the fact that I'm having Sublime Text already installed on my system. That's the reason why it brought this as the first option. But if you are running it the first time, it should ask you if you agree with their user license agreement. So you should click on the agree button. Then after that, it will bring some options like if you want the software to be available on the operating system's file explorer menu. Okay, like the one is bringing right now. So you just make sure you tick this option right here. You make sure you tick it, then you click on next. Okay, so you are done, then you click on install. So I won't do that because I have it already on my system. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. But for you, you make sure you click on that install button and wait for it to install successfully on your system. So when it is successful on your system, you can easily come to the program menu. Okay, you'll find it there. Find it here. All right, assuming you've installed it successfully on your system. Right now, we need to know if really Sublime Text and the other browsers on my system are really working hand in hand, if are really communicating, are really successfully editing code, and it is being displayed successfully through the browser. Now let's try that. So I'm going to run this Sublime. This is my Sublime Text. Okay, now this is my Sublime Text. You come here, you create a new file. Okay, so this new file, you save it. Try to save it. Press Ctrl S, or you come right here and click on save. So it's going to ask you where you want to save. Just save in your documents folder. Okay, so I'm now in my documents folder. Just save it as first page. Okay, first page dot .html. Make sure you give it this extension .html. The name you give it doesn't matter, but this extension matters. .html. You make sure you give it that extension .html. With that extension, the browser understands that this is a web page and it will display it as a web page. Okay, so click on save. Now you have an HTML file. Okay, so the next thing now is to try to view that file I've created through the browser. So I'm going to browse for it. Should be in my documents folder. I named it first page. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so you right click, open with, I'm going to open it with a browser. Let me open it with my Chromium browser. All right, it's not bringing anything. It's not bringing anything. Okay, let's see if they are communicating. They are really communicating. All right, this is my folder. This is my browser on the left hand side, and this is my code editor on the right hand side. Let me just write a dummy text. Welcome to Intel Hub Academy. Intel Hub Academy. Okay, so you click on file, then you click on save. Right, now let's come back right here and see if it displays, if it reflects on this page. Refresh. Wow, this is it. It reflects. Okay, let me write more text. Wishing you all the best. All right, click on file, then click on save, then come back right here and refresh. Wow, it displays, it reflects here. All right, that means they are communicating. Okay, my code editor is editing the file and my browser is displaying it right here. All right, that shows that both are working hand in hand together to edit and create web page. If you are able to make things work together like this, that means you are all set to begin this this course. All right, in the next video I'll be looking at the features of HTML5, all those formats which are used to display different kinds of elements on a web page using HTML5. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next coming videos.